Is it still in Dutch ownership? Kleinanzeigen, without eBay. Once a slogan, not that long ago. That reminds on few things, yes, too. Not only my great chance is offer for 7 Keyford Street. Looks that uninteresting, and they knew already what I look for. Other took the chance where I looked at other, let's say, possibilities, like Hannes Magate, how he knew that. Oh, just random. What was it too? Oh, Amy sharing an account with Nogli. But how he could know what I need, so a female voice, and that's him. And that was just about chance in addition. They disappeared too, obviously, in 2017, just 9 years ago. Another murder confirmed. I asked her not to sing. She told me, Filina, she told me, she had once some kind of test in front of her, maybe professional in music, whatever, where she failed at, but it was not her best talent, whatever. Just to say no, maybe, was her talent to make the decision for controllers. True. Yes. True. Oh, how many in 2017? Just 9 years ago. Is that a cold case? Compared to other murder, a smoking gun, just the smell at the thumb, maybe, still. Oh, that I saw once in a movie, yes. Smoke and, no, smell on the thumb. Or that maybe even Naked City. But, yeah, that many chances. Maybe look now in Saarbrücken. What was there? Oh, that was about also 161. Schließfach. To translate maybe was safe. Zoo. Train station, Berlin. Yeah, that many ideas. Also, just make a difference. So, Förderung or Forderung. Just a nifty. You remove just 2 dots or 1 letter of 1 word. Makes that a difference.